This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Marion Sherrod. Great opportunity for investors or first-time home buyers. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath home in South Suffolk offers a functional floor plan with a living room, separate family room, eat-in kitchen, and dedicated laundry area. Exterior features include a front and side porch, rear deck, and storage shed, sold as is. Conveniently located near schools, shopping, and major routes. A must-see with lots of potential. This home is being sold as its owner will make no repairs. Window units do not convey. Currently tenant-occupied, and the tenant has expressed interest in remaining in the home, good for investors seeking immediate rental income. Rent is subsidized by housing. For more information, review the details below or contact Marion Sherrod at 757-638-5700.